Now, what do you all make of the pronouncement by American sprint legend Michael Johnson, who said basically that Jamaican greats Shelley and Fraser Price and Elaine Thompson-Hera are not being appreciated enough for their greatness because fund and pundits are focusing too much on them running fast times and chasing world records and not respecting their consistent championship performances at the highest level. You know, so I disagree with Michael Johnson though. Now, first of all, I don't agree that Shelley and Elaine are underrated or underappreciated. No go so. The entire athletics world show lots of ratings and respect to these two ladies who are basically the flagship performers for women sprinting right now. Secondly, nothing is wrong with people wanting Elaine and or Shelley to break those sprint records that people mostly think are fraudulent records. It is testament to the respect that people have for them in expecting them to break those supposedly unbreakable records. So not for the first time, the Maverick disagrees and disagrees vehemently.